In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine groups on WhatsApp. Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing you need to do is to open WhatsApp. Now click on communities, click on start your community, then click on get started. Give it any name, maybe new community. Click on the arrow button. After doing this, click on add group. Then click on add existing groups. Choose the group. Then add to community. Then click on add group again. Select another group, or you can create a new group. By doing this, you'll be able to combine multiple groups within a single community. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.